Hello everybody! Today's video is going to be a review of an all-natural shoe cleaner called Reshoevn8r. It uses natural ingredients like coconut, jojoba, and other natural oils. My son is going to do the review using a dirty white tennis shoes. So watch this video and you will be surprised of the results. So my son's gonna take over from here.
I'm doing a little review on the Reshoevn8r cleaning kit. So I already opened it up, but basically it just comes with these 3 brushes for different things. I'm cleaning these are really dirty, and this is the one that they want you to use for like this material mesh. It also comes with this. It's like cleaning solution, and it says to put 4 ounces of water in a little thing and then just squeeze some of this in there. And then basically what you do is just you dip this in here and then you just kind of go back and forth. It's gonna come out soapy like that, which is good. You could already tell it's getting a lot cleaner. These are really dirty. So I'm just gonna keep going like that. It helps to go along the grain, so you can kind of see how it's stitched. So I'm going sideways right here. You really want to get the bristles into all these little holes that you see. If it gets a little too soapy, you could just wipe it off a little bit. The kit's supposed to come with a microfiber towel, but if you don't have one, you just use any towel. These are the laundry pods. These were separate. I thought they were gonna come with the laundry kit, but I was wrong. So I had to buy these separate. It was like 20 bucks. And then they want you to buy the laundry bags on the website, but I just had these extra ones. Anything with like a mesh material is gonna be good. So I have 2 of them. So I'm gonna put these in the washing machine with these after I just go like this with the brushes. So let me do that real quick. All right, so here's what they look like after brushing them. They look a lot better, but they're still not as white as I want them to be. So we'll see what they look like after the wash. I didn't really try too hard on the sole just because I don't really care how that looks. And I'm hoping that the laundry pods will do most of the work, so we'll see what happens. It's recommended to put a shoe tree inside the shoe, and if you buy the bags, they're supposed to come with it apparently. But I'm just gonna use this extra one I got from the Jordans. And these, you can get them like at the Dollar Tree, so I'm not gonna pay the $18 that it was on the website. So I'm just gonna put this in the shoe, put the shoe in there, and then put one of these pods inside the bag. And apparently you're only supposed to put 1 shoe at a time, so that's what I'm gonna do. What it looks like, I have the pod inside the bag. I got the Jordan shoehorn inside the shoe and these Dollar Tree bags. I'm just gonna put it in the wash and hope for the best. Just to show you guys that maybe it could be done. I'm not sure if this is gonna work or not. Hopefully it does. Hopefully my shoes don't get messed up. But the Reshoevn8r YouTube said to put it on normal, but other people said to put it on delicate. So I'm just gonna put it on delicate, and then you want to put it on cold, and everything else should be good. So fingers crossed my Yeezys don't get messed up. See what happens. All right, so it just got out of the wash, and I gotta say it looks really, really white. This is the one that hasn't been washed yet. It only had the brush treatment, and this looks amazing. This looks brand new. Like, even the bottom looks really good. I kept the laces on, and they turned out a lot whiter than these ones. These ones, you know, they're still kind of dirty. So even if you use this kit, it's still definitely going to be dirty until you wash it. But would I recommend this product with the brushes? Absolutely. If you don't already have brushes or a solution, you definitely need this product. As the Yeezys were washing, I tried cleaning my old Air Forces, and this is how dirty they were. They were super dirty, like the laces were dirty too. And then just by using the brushes, I made them look almost brand new. The laces are still kind of dirty, so I'm probably gonna put these in the wash. And it's also really creased up, so I don't know if I'd wear these out, but they're a lot whiter than these ones. So definitely get this if you don't already have brushes. Now, would I recommend the laundry pods? I wouldn't, just because you can go on YouTube and look up how to clean your shoes in the washing machine, and you can do it with detergent and bleach, and those are things you probably already had. So spending 20 bucks on this is really a waste of money. And you definitely don't need the bags either, because they're charging 18 bucks for it. You can get these for $1 at the dollar store, you know. But yeah, so pairing this with just washing in the washing machine is definitely gonna do wonders. Letting these dry, and you're just supposed to let them air dry. Some people say it takes a few days, so we'll see how long it takes, but these don't really feel that wet. I wouldn't wear them out right now, but maybe in 24 hours it'll be good. So you just gotta let it dry, and it'll look good as new. So thanks for watching this review.